Hey guys, happy National Ceiling Fan Day. It's been a little bit since I posted. I've been getting back into the groove of school and everything, so it's gonna be maybe a little longer in between posts. I'm not gonna take a 2 month break like last year, but I'll definitely be posting way less in the summer. Sorry about that, but I have a lot of stuff. I'm like a year and a half ahead in my grades, so yeah, there's a lot I've been doing. But I have a new fan for you guys today. So now, excuse me, you got a GE Vortalex. 12-inch one. I don't have the 16-inch one, nor do I super really want it because it's like huge. I mean, if this is the 12-inch, I already have so many fans that I got. But here's the blades. The only thing about this fan is if you look at the blades, one is severely out of balance, and that causes a lot of shaking. Which I'll show you that in a second. And we got the side. We got the tag. And this really beefy motor. I don't know if it's like supposed to be green or what. Like I don't know what that's from out. Here's the back. I love this handle. It's like definitely useful when like gonna pick the thing up. Here's the plug for anyone interested, because I know there are some folks out there. So yeah, I'm filming this in a garage. That's dirty floor, but it's okay. The felt on here is mostly gone. Looks like just like tiny little bit of black left. My bad, I had the wrong plug. It's actually this one. The other one was a plug to the Westinghouse in here because it's in the bin. Now I'll plug this bad boy up. I'm just worried because this thing shakes so much, so I want to get something to like kind of weigh it down. I don't have anything. I guess we'll just try it. There's the switch too. It has 3 speeds, so I guess let's start with low, the usual. That's what I mean. Look how severely out of balance that blade is. Let me go shut the other fan off again so it's quieter. This is very quiet. Like, I also noticed it's not in the greatest condition as far as the cage and everything, but I thought it was still a cool fan. Yeah, it's very quiet. Like, yeah, I know it's pretty bad, but yeah, I'm like scared to do this, but let's go to medium. Oh boy. I mean, that's actually not that much of a difference. It's a little louder, but it's still quiet. And a little more shaky. But even so, like, all the way back here, I can feel, like, air. Still, back here, I can still feel it. Oh boy, let's turn this bad boy up to high. I'm scared to do this, like, literally. Oh, there it goes. Holy crap. That is fast. Yeah, I could feel from literally back here. It's like 10 feet away. That's freaking fast. Like, that's fast. Let's turn this thing off before it starts flying. Oh. Someone walked in, but let's go ahead and turn this thing off like I was saying before this thing starts flying. Good spin down. Although it definitely could be better. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, that is the 1950s GE Vortalex. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.